Yeah. All right. So, yeah, morning, guys. Morning, dear friends. I'm really happy to see you here. Thank you for joining in. So please say your name. Yeah, please introduce or yourself and say okay, interesting. Yeah, something interesting about your personality. Yeah, about your lifestyle, whatever you want. Okay. So I'll start. Yeah, my name is Anastasia. Yeah, I'm an English and Spanish teacher. And okay, I dance kizomba. All right. Who's next? Кто следующий смельчак?
My name is Diana. Uh, I like history and my hobby is dance.
Dancing. Yeah, your hobby is dancing as well. Oh, nice. History dancing. Yeah, Diana?
Yes.
History dancing. Okay. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Hello, my name is Julia. Interesting fact that I would like to share. I live in Iran and now I'm studying Persian language, Farsi.
Oh, well, Farsi. So, yeah, Iran, Yulia. Okay, welcome. Yeah, Iran and Farsi. Yeah, the Farsi language, Persian. Okay, nice. Thank you. Valery.
Hello everyone. My name is Valery. I'm a programmer, and my hobby is bachata. And interesting fact that I'm the husband of our teacher.
Thanks. So husband, programmer, and a bachatero. Yeah, bachata
Nice
dancer.
hobby.
Nice hobby. Being a husband is a nice hobby. Yeah. So look at the picture, please. Look at the photo. Do you know this man? Any ideas? Can you? Yeah, he's okay. Now it's clear that he is a
He's yoke.
musician. Sorry, come again.
He is yoke and maybe actor.
No, he's not an actor. One sec.
I think Sting.
Sting. Sting. Yeah.
Ah.
This is Sting. Yeah, and he practices yoga. Yeah, he practices yoga. Diana, please try.
Notoriety.
Notoriety. Я помогу.
Notoriety.
Notoriety. Sorry, no. Notoriety. Notoriety.
Notoriety.
Notoriety. Yeah. Если, может быть, поможет notorious, есть вот такое прилагательное, there is an adjective, notorious. Вот they have the same root. Yeah. Notorious, to be notorious.
Maybe дурная слава.
Yeah, good. Yeah. So Englishman in New York. And yeah, before we start, listening to the song, let's discuss the given questions. Yeah, so what do you think this song is about? Yeah, if you've listened to it before, can you remember anything? Yeah. How would you describe an Englishman? Or do you know any stereotypes about English people? Вы сказали классную фразу «придерживаются», да? Можно сказать stick, stick to. So English, English people, stick to their manners or lifestyle, stick to. Как стик приклеиваться, да, стикер, stick to, придерживаться. And you'll be filling in the gaps here with the words you can hear. Okay. So are you ready? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay, ready, steady, go. have
Yes.
manners.
Yes.
Ага.
I hear I hear a new message in this song.
In the song, yeah, you've heard, you've heard a new message, yeah, for you. So every man, like, yeah, a man must have manners, yeah. The first, take tea, yeah.
I
Take
think
tea.
his songs I drink tea, my dear.
Lisa for your feedback. Thank you, Diana, for your feedback. Юлия, Валерий, any words to
можно
say?
я уже включила микрофон.
Да, sorry.
Валерий после меня. В общем, мне тоже очень понравился формат. Я вообще, я люблю больше заниматься индивидуально, потому что я себя не совсем комфортно чувствую в группе, но сегодня мне показалось, было очень тепло и
Все
здорово.
свои.
И мы все
общем-то,
так,
да.
я всех, кроме тебя, видела в первый раз.
Ну,
Для тебя все свои, для меня
в плане это мои люди, что тут
да.
безопасная, дружеская
И так
обстановка.
классно мы действительно разогрелись, и очень были прикольные упражнения, и мы делились на группы, и музыку слушали, и, в общем, что-то думали, делились мыслями. Очень здоровский формат. Спасибо, что ты нас собрала и дала какие-то знания новые, дала нам возможность высказаться, провести классное время.